Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we'll be saying playing with screenshots in Python. So taking a screenshot of your screen, then setting a timer and then taking screenshots, and we'll be also creating a simple UI and then take a screenshot. Yeah. So there are many ways in which you can take a screenshot in Python. So some of the ways are by using library called PyAuto GUI. There's one other way, that is you can use library PIL, that is Python imaging library, or it is also called as Hello. So these are the two ways in which we will be seeing how to take a screenshot. So here I've already installed my library. I've just installed my library by doing a simple pip install PyAuto UI, and here I've imported my library. I've called the function screenshot, and I'm just saving it with the name of screenshot pyauto ui.png. So when I'll be running this cell, you must see, or we must get a screenshot of the current content visible on the screen. Okay, so the cell has run. So let's check if my screenshot is there with the name of screenshot pyauto GUI. So then look here, yeah, as you can see, yeah, there you go. See here, this is the exact same content is there, screenshot. Okay, so what the next thing we'll try to do is we'll set a timer here. We'll set a timer, so I'm setting a delay of 6 seconds and then I'm taking a screenshot. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's set a timer of 10 seconds. Go for a good wallpaper. Okay, and then just on this, and let's, okay, yeah, okay, so here you can see my YouTube was getting load. At that time it took a screenshot, right? Now the next thing is by using the library pillow. This thing is, this technique is only available for Mac and Windows. That is the image grab. Actually grab here, image grab works only for Mac and Windows. If you are using a Linux system, this code won't work. Okay, but I'll explain you how it works out. So it just imports grab from Python imaging library. It is calling the function grab and it is passing the parameters of the box. And what are these parameters? Here 0, and this 0 is my x and y. This is my width and height. Okay, and I'm after that saving my image. And finally, with the help of Tinker, what we'll be doing is we'll create a simple UI, and uh, I'm writing a function and then I'm creating a simple button, my window, and I'm calling my code. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have my button. Do one thing, go to a very good wallpaper like my C wallpaper. Now let's take a shot of magical. Time to load because the image is of high resolution. Font doesn't suit. Yeah, so here we have taken a screenshot, and let's see what name we have saved the file. It is tkscreen.png. Yeah, here you go, tkscreen.png. Yeah, so that's it guys. These were the different ways in which you can take screenshots by using Python. So whenever in your applications you have a requirement of shot, and just simply use PyAuto GUI or image grab, That's it. With just simple few lines of code, your work will get done. Yeah, so that's it with this video. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and check out other videos too, and subscribe to our channel AS. Thank you and take care.